Hello everyone, happy Friday, happy Easter weekend, hope you're enjoying it so far. So I thought, my friend Claire gave me this, I thought we might have a new start today, and it just ties in with all the animals at Animal Kingdom. So we've just been watching the documentary on the Disney Channel, behind the scenes, and they pick an animal each week, and it's a really good show. So let's have a look and see what we get in this kit. And there's a hoop in there as well. Wow, that was really stuck down. So we've got some beautiful threads there. So 2, 4, 6, 8 colours. So they're not actually numbered, so I hope it's going to be easy to decide which colour to pick up. I'm sure it will, because the picture is very colourful. And it just say it fits an 8-inch by 10-inch frame, which isn't included, but everything else is. So nice little frame there. The cloth, that's quite soft actually, that's really nice. One little needle. And a little pattern. So we've got 8 colours, 1 French knot and a back stitch, and they're all in number 8, which will be the black. And then it's showing you how to stitch to make you know, your cross stitch and your back stitch. I can't see that it's showing you how to do, oh it's there, how to do a French knot. Or if you struggle with them, just stick a bead on. Yeah, so let me show you how we're going to start this. So I'll just move all that out of the way. And how I start, I need to find the centre of the fabric. Now it's already roughly marked there, but all you do is fold it like that in half. I think it's not going to be far wrong actually with how it's been folded in the pack, like that, till you get your centre point there. Then I use a pincushion now. Stab a hole, and then I'm just going to adjust it by 1, stab it into my pincushion, and that will be my centre start. and it's a square piece of Aida, so we don't have to bother about which side is correct. I will just give it a quick measure. Shall we do it in centimetres? So that's 35 by 32. So I will probably just do the 35 that way because it is like a portrait picture, just to make sure that it fits. So 35, I'll just double check, by 32. Yeah, 35 by 32. So that's going to be my top and bottom. I would start in the what I consider to be the centre, just roughly, which would be with the letter M, I think. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 2, 4, 5. Yeah, so 2, 4, 6, and then 2, 4, 6. Yeah, so I'm going to take it as M being my centre. So that's where I'm going to be making a start. So I'm going to get this into a hoop. I don't normally stitch in a hoop, but seeing as they've provided one, let's give it a whirl. And then I will load the brown colour up, which is number 4. And we'll start with the monkey. So I've managed to get my hoop on. That was quite a feat, I can tell you. And now, because it's a 14 count, we're just going to pull one single strand of thread. Like that. Oh, I needed to fetch a needle threader, and I've only got one of these, so we'll have to go with this. Just put your thread through there and pull it through. And then we'll be starting with the loop method. So where the pin is the centre. And I'm just looking at the letter M, and from a centre line we've got 3 blank squares in the middle of the M. So I'm going to go over one square and start the base of the M. Not in the same. Just one over, like that. Take the pin out. And then I always do my loop at the back. So pull it through, catch that loop, spin it back round. pull my thread out of my needle. So that's the first X that's gone in. I think the eye of this needle is quite big actually. Feels like a wool needle, it feels quite thick as well. So that's the first one in.
thinking back on when I used to hold your hand, feeling lost and found at the same time. That distant memory of you and me, so bittersweet and true. We thought we had it all. You'd come round when I called. I was the world to you, and you were mine too. I was so good to you, I'd even die for you. Thought you felt it too. How can you tell what's real or not? When do you know how to feel when everything's like fairy tales and sunny days? They're getting shorter every second, every minute, every day. Want them to stay. But then there was this day when you just walk away. How come you say one thing and do another? All broken promises, nothing more or less. You thought you made the right choice, but when do you know how to feel when everything's like fairy tales and sunny Bye.